Okay, this is my 2007 Honda Pilot, and my battery went dead. It was a O'Reilly 4-year battery that went dead at just over 4 years. So I went down to Costco, got myself a 3-year battery, which was pretty fairly priced. So what I'm doing now is I already went and took the battery down, because what I did first was I disconnected the black negatives before the red positive, brought it down. Now I'm going to reverse the order. I'm going to connect the red positive first before I connect the negative. Now, technically, you should be wrapping tape around this on the positive side if it's unused, but I was a bit of a rush. Okay, I just attached the red one and the positive. Now I'm going to put on the black. So again, no jumping current, so bzz, no electrical shock. So I did it the correct way by first removing the negative, then the positive, put the new one on, then after you put the new one on, then go the opposite way by putting the positive, then the negative. So let's put some power behind this. So do I have the power on correctly? Must be, because my anti-theft light is blinking. So let's see if we don't explode. Well, look at that. I did it right. But I'm going to have to reload my code. Yep, see, it says enter code. I'm going to have to reload that. Now, sometimes you get it on the side here or on the inside here, but not this one. When I bought this one, it didn't have that. So I had to write to the company to get my code, and they will send it to you once you send in all the VIN numbers and everything. So as you can see here, I entered my Honda Retrieval Code correctly. So my radio's on. So I got to reprogram the stations again. So and reset the clock. But that's the only thing you have to do after putting in the battery, is just reset that. Thank you.